2026, a year that marks the return of giants, where engineering meets raw earth in its purest, most powerful form. Standing at the heart of a high-gloss industrial showroom, surrounded by blinding spotlights reflecting off its golden yellow armor, the Komatsu D575A doesn't just look like a machine. It looks like the living embodiment of dominance, towering at over 16 feet tall and weighing more than 150 tons. This behemoth is officially recognized as the largest production bulldozer in the world. And 2026 has just redefined what that truly means. From the moment it starts, the D575A sounds like thunder caged in steel. The deep growl of its 1150 horsepower Komatsu SA-12 D575A engine fills the room with vibration, echoing through the glass walls of the showroom. Every breath it takes feels like it's inhaling continence and exhaling power. You don't just see it, you feel it. The floor trembles, the air vibrates, and the crowd stands frozen, watching a mountain of metal that looks ready to move mountains of earth. The design is industrial art. The front blade, a monumental slab of hardened steel, spreads nearly 24 feet wide, capable of moving more than 90 cubic yards of material in one single push. Its surface gleams under the floodlights, a mirror of pure dominance, while hydraulic pistons thicker than human torsos flex in perfect unison. The steel treads, each link heavy enough to crush concrete, move with the precision of a predator. Slow, deliberate, and unstoppable. Inside the cabin, Komatsu engineers have taken comfort and technology to another level. 2026 introduces a fully digital command cockpit, inspired by aircraft-grade ergonomics. The seat floats on an active suspension system, absorbing every vibration. Ahead of the operator, multiple displays project terrain data, hydraulic load statistics, and real-time blade positioning in 3D. Surround view cameras and proximity sensors create a 360-degree field of awareness, making sure that even a machine this size moves with surgical precision. But it's not just power and control, it's intelligence. The new Smart Dozer AI suite, developed exclusively for Komatsu's 2026 lineup, learns terrain behavior dynamically. Whether it's volcanic rock, clay, or desert soil, it adjusts blade pressure, track torque, and throttle response automatically, maximizing efficiency while reducing fuel burn by 18%. It's as if this bulldozer has learned how to think, how to adapt like a living creature made of metal. The design language speaks a new era. Sleek, aerodynamic side panels cover the powertrain, reducing drag and channeling airflow toward engine cooling vents. The iconic Komatsu blue and yellow contrast now glows with a satin metallic finish. Under the showroom lights, it looks almost alive. Around the crowd, you can hear murmurs. It's not just a dozer, it's a monument. And that's true. Because the D575A isn't just built for projects, it's built for legends. Whether it's carving roads through mountain passes or reclaiming open mines, this machine doesn't just move dirt, it reshapes landscapes. Komatsu's legacy of reliability and over-engineering shines through every bolt and every weld. Even the blade angle control feels futuristic. A joystick movement instantly translated into fluid hydraulic motion, executed with zero lag. In the operator's seat, visibility is king. The redesigned glass enclosure now features anti-reflective laminated safety glass, stretching from the floor to ceiling for a full panoramic command view. The cabin temperature is automatically regulated with smart climate control that adjusts to external dust and humidity levels. You could sit inside this steel fortress for 12 hours straight and forget you're in the middle of a mine site. But it's outside where the D575A becomes a spectacle of mechanical theater. When those twin exhaust stacks exhale, the ground shudders. Each puff of smoke rolls upward like the breath of a sleeping dragon. When it moves, the sound of steel treads grinding across gravel feels like the heartbeat of the earth itself. And when that blade drops, silence falls for a moment, because everyone watching knows what's about to happen. Destruction, redefined as progress. Komatsu has also enhanced safety with LiDAR-based terrain scanning and autonomous control compatibility. Operators can now control the D575A remotely from a digital console miles away. The AI navigation module maps obstacles and recalculates paths in milliseconds, ensuring not only efficiency but unmatched safety in dangerous environments like quarries or landslide-prone zones. Fuel efficiency, too, has evolved. The massive diesel engine integrates hybrid electric assist technology, recapturing kinetic energy during deceleration and using it to power auxiliary systems. Even a beast of this magnitude can now claim a smaller environmental footprint without losing an ounce of performance. Every element of the D575A screams purpose. From its robust undercarriage to its military-grade steel body plating, this machine doesn't just withstand pressure, it welcomes it. It's a reminder that human engineering, when pushed to its limits, can still create something that feels almost mythological. In 2026, the D575A isn't just a bulldozer. It's an icon of evolution, an echo of humanity's desire to build bigger, stronger, and smarter machines. Its presence in the showroom feels almost spiritual. Crowds gather not just to see it, but to witness what raw capability looks like when crafted with obsession and precision. And as the lights dim for its final demonstration, the D575A roars once more. The blade lowers, the treads roll. The entire room vibrates. It's not just a machine moving. It's a declaration, a statement that Komatsu still reigns supreme in the empire of earth-moving giants. In an age where automation and efficiency dominate design, the Komatsu D575A reminds us of something simple yet powerful. Sometimes, strength is the purest form of beauty. Its size defies logic. Its design defies limitation. And its name, Komatsu D575A, will forever echo through the history of engineering as the machine that turned mountains into memories.